it. So our today's dish is a very famous Maharashtrian dish, that is milk poha. So first of all, I'm going to show you all the ingredients that you need to prepare the dish. You need 1 bowl of poha, 1 glass of milk, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and some grated coconut. Now see what you have to do. You need, first of all, you have to soak this poha in water for at least 20 to 25 minutes. I have taken already the soaked poha. So now I'm going to tell you the procedure, how you will prepare this milk poha dish. First of all, you will take some quantity according to your choice. Like I'm going to take here 2 spoons or 3 spoons of poha. After that, what you will do, you will add milk into the bowl. After that, you will mix it. Then we will add, first of all, the salt according to the taste, a small spoon. Then a little bit of black pepper. Then you have to mix it thoroughly. See now, this type of consistency you need. Now this dish, it is ready. At last, you can add this grated coconut also. If you like coconut, you can sprinkle them, otherwise you can skip this step. I'm going to add some grated coconut here in my dish.